Hello everyone, today, we are going to learn how to paint a vibrant and lifelike Chinese cabbage using gouache. The key to this painting lies in the layering of colors and the depiction of leaf textures. Step 1. Sketching the outline. First, use a pencil to lightly sketch the basic shape of the cabbage. Pay attention to the natural curves and direction of the leaves. The base of the cabbage should be slightly narrower, while the upper part expands outward. Step 2. Applying the base colors. Start with the leaves by using a light yellow-green color as the base, covering the entire leaf area. For the white stalk at the bottom, mix light yellow and white to create a warm undertone, making it look more natural. Step 3. Building up the leaf layers. Once the base layer is dry, use deeper greens, such as grass green, deep green, and ultramarine, to define the shadows along the veins and folds of the leaves. Be mindful of the light source. Highlighted areas should be left lighter or painted with a mix of lemon, yellow, and a small amount of white to enhance brightness. Step 4. Detailing the leaf veins. With a fine brush, use a mix of white and a touch of lemon yellow to lightly outline the main veins of the cabbage leaves. Then, apply a deeper green or a slightly bluish tone to the edges to create a curled and folded effect, making the cabbage look more three-dimensional. Step 5. Painting the cabbage stalk. The stalk is primarily white, but avoid using pure white alone. Instead, create a base with a mix of white and light yellow. Add subtle shades of ochre or light gray around the edges to give it depth and volume. Step 6. Refining and enhancing the overall effect. Finally, adjust the overall composition by increasing the contrast between light and dark areas to enhance the three-dimensional look of the cabbage. If the transition between the leaves and stalk appears too harsh, use a clean, damp brush to softly blend the colors for a smoother effect. And that's it. You now have a fresh, crisp Chinese cabbage painting. Feel free to add a background, such as a wooden table, a basket, or even tiny water droplets, to make the composition more lively. Enjoy the painting process and the beauty of gouache.